How to change your billing address on Amazon. If you would like to change your billing address on Amazon, it's quite simple to do so. Just go to Amazon.com, and I recommend you go from Amazon.com only and log into your account. Then go to Account and List from the top right and go to the option that says Account, as you can see here. Now, under it, you'll find a section that says Your Payments. Click on the Your Payments tab, and right here you'll find the card or the payment method you have. So we want to change the billing address for this card. So what we will do is just click on the Edit button that you can see here. When you click on the Edit button next to the card, you can see the option called Billing Address, and you'll find the option called Change. So all you have to do is just click on the Change button right here. As and when you click on the Change option, you can choose one of the preset addresses, or you can click on the Add an Address option and make sure to add a new address. Click on Use this address, and that will be set as a default billing address on Amazon. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.